Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very beautiful netted pallu, embroidery work done on the knitted fabric. Very beautiful design. You can see the soft net fabric on it. The embroidery twig design with floral print embroidery work is done. And here we have the blouse that is also in the saree color. The complete saree have a golden zari border in both sides. The saree here is beautiful, dark shade pink color. Beautiful pink it is. With the Dupian finish weaving, completely hand weaved, excellent saree with the zari borders. Beautiful weaving, excellent embroidery work, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving, a very excellent pure raw silk with embroidery finish. Here we have an excellent pallu, a netted fabric, very elegant, soft, beautiful net fabric it is, transparent one with twig design, hand embroidery all over. And the saree is also a pastel shade here, a green, pastel green color with fully Dupian finish thread weaving in a plain version with the zari borders, and the blouse piece is also in the same color with borders. Very elegant and beautiful collection, completely hand weaving with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with beautiful embroidery work on the netted pallu fabric. A very elegant, transparent, soft finish netted fabric it is. On it, the floral design embroidery is done in the very mild lavender and white concept. And here we have the pallu and body color blouse piece. The body color is a beautiful pastel shade here, light purple and wine mixed color with the half white tinge. Very elegant pastel shade it is with Dupian finish weaving all over. You can see the visible threads on it, and we have golden zari borders on both sides. Excellent concept, beautiful pastel saree with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted pallu and embroidery work done on the netted pallu. Here we have a beautiful soft netted fabric for the pallu, transparent and very elegant one. Exclusive piece with the pot making concept in the embroidery, multiple colors used on it. And we have a pallu color, body color, plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in the same color, only the embroidery is in contrast version here. And it's a plain raw silk with Dupian finish hand woven design. Beautiful one. Pastel green shade saree, greyish green color, light olive tinge green it is with the zari borders in both sides. Excellent saree with beautiful work, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery pallu. Here we have a beautiful soft finish netted fabric. On it, the pot making concept is done on an embroidery, multiple contrast colors used for the embroidery work. And here we have the body color blouse piece. The body is a mild peach shade, almost a skin color, very elegant one, peachy pink color shade, a pastel shade too, completely hand woven. You can see the finish of the threads, embossed design, that is the Dupian finish with the zari borders on both sides. Beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant transparent netted pallu and embroidery on the pallu. Here we have a soft, beautiful fabric, exclusive collection. The grey and blue are used for the embroidery here, contrast ones. And here we have the same body color blouse piece. The body color is a pastel grey here, a beautiful shade, a very different and elegant shade it is. You can see the visible embossed design, the Dupian finish. Very elegantly done, completely hand woven, beautiful design with zari borders on both sides. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted pallu and embroidery work done on the pallu. A soft net fabric in the pallu alone. You can see the transparent, soft weaving. Excellent design in the pallu. Embroidered one, very dark and contrast colors are given for the embroidery. And here we have the same body color blouse piece with zari borders. The saree is also here a beautiful pastel shade wine, beautiful color mild wine tinge with half white mix. Very beautiful pastel shade it is. A complete hand weaving dupion finish. You can see the fine finish of the saree with golden zari borders in both sides. An excellent pastel shade saree with a beautiful embroidery work pallu, and it comes with authentic silk work. Pure raw silk saree, dupion finish weaving with very elegant netted pallu, a beautiful netted pallu. On it, embroidery work is done. A soft net fabric, very elegant transparent knitted fabric it is, with the beautiful brown and blue, and we also have white used for the embroidery work. Same body color blouse piece. The complete saree and the blouse piece have the zari borders in both sides. Here we have a light skin shade color, mild peach shade mixed with half white. You get a beautiful pastel shade color. You can see the beautiful dupion finish, hand woven finish it is with the zari borders. Excellent pastel shade saree with beautiful embroidery work, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, dupion finishing with very elegant embroidery work in the pallu. A netted, transparent and very beautiful fabric pallu it is. A rare and beautiful collection. And you can see the twig design embroidery done in a very minute work. It is very beautifully done using dark brown shade color. The complete saree is in single color, even the blouse piece also in same color. The saree color is a pastel, beautiful color, almost a tussar color itself. The basic raw silk color with mild skin and grey tinge. You can see the finishing of the threads. It's dupion finishing, the raw silk, original one, with zari borders in both sides. Excellent finish with beautiful work, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, dupion finish weaving with excellent embroidered pallu. The pallu here is a transparent netted fabric, very elegant, soft and beautiful net fabric it is, with the pot making concept in the embroidery work. And here we have same body color pallu and blouse piece. The saree is a pastel shade color, almost the raw silk color itself, a tussar color, or a mild sandal finish half white. And you can see the dupion finish weaving. Weaving is a perfect weaving here, completely handmade with the gold zari borders in both sides. Excellent pastel collection with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, dupion finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery work with pallu. Beautiful, soft and netted transparent fabric with the pot making concept in the pallu. Very beautiful embroidery work in multiple colors, and same pallu color, and pallu and blouse body everything is in same color. The blue here, Ananda blue, beautiful shade of blue it is, with the completely hand woven dupion finish. You can see the threads that is very visible in post concept, and we have the golden zari borders in both sides of the saree. A beautiful, perfect hand woven saree with embroidery work with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, dupion finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery pallu. Here we have a beautiful embroidery work on the pallu, so soft knitted fabric. Light green and white is given for the embroidery here, and the saree here is deep green color, almost a olive in a deeper shade. Same color blouse piece. The complete saree is hand woven with very elegant dupion finish. On it, the mild silver glow is there because of the warp. It is a silver color warp, and we have golden zari borders in both sides. Beautiful dark shade color with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, dupion finish weaving with beautiful netted pallu and embroidery work done on the netted pallu. Excellent color here, light soft fabric on the pallu, and on it the embroidery finish is done in the darker shades of blue. Beautiful body color blouse piece. The complete saree is plain except the pallu which have embroidery. The color of the saree here is very beautiful. A light shade blue it is, almost in a turquoise blue shade. Excellent one with silver zari borders on both sides, and the dupian finish is very visible and beautiful here. A perfect hand woven, excellent collection with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, dupian finish weaving with beautiful embroidery work on the pallu, netted fabric, transparent netted fabric it is, a very soft and beautiful fabric. On it, a very elegant, beautiful work in the embroidery, half white and brown shades used, and same body color blouse piece given in the saree. The saree color is a light pastel shade, almost the pure tussar fabric color, mild brown and grey mix shade. Very beautiful one with the dupian finish threads all over, and we also have the zari borders on both sides. Excellent collection with authentic silk.